I'm here in Sydney, Australia today with Marco, one of our wonderful customers from WaterCo. Marco, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and your role at WaterCo?
I'm the ANC IT manager for WaterCo. My role basically it's been like driving change management and data transformation in the business for the last couple of years. We are a company that we manufacture pool and spa mainly products. For pool builders, we have a commercial division for desalination plants and aquaculture.
So what was it that sort of led you to requiring a CM? What were you looking for?
We didn't have a proper tool how to measure the activities with the customers. So it was a gap. It was a missing link between raw financial reporting and human side of things, which is the CRM and customer activities and everything related to that. So we desperately needed a way how to track better customer behaviors, customer interactions. We were looking at different solutions. We were looking at other brands, big brands, small brands.
What are you using on the ERP
Epicor.
side? Using Epicor.
It is globally known ERP system. It's a manufacturing ERP system. When we knew from our partner that Sugar was hiring developers from Epicor to start working together, I asked for the details. So let's say, put me in contact with these people. I wanna talk about them.
So why was that connectivity between ERP, between Epicor and SugarCRM so important to you? What were you trying to achieve from a customer perspective?
We didn't have anything. No, everything was in a notepad for the rep or in their mind, no, because they knew the customer for a certain amount of time. So if you talk, well, I don't know, for Apollo Pools, oh yeah, Apollo Pools is mine. Yeah, this customer buys this. But never, no, the rep will walk away and then they go with the knowledge. So it was really, really hard for us to have continuity between the reps, no, the old rep and the new rep. You as a customer, you're the one who suffers because you have to tell your story over and over and over. So yeah, we needed to link that gap together with the ERP system.
And so you were looking to sort of fill that gap, to establish that continuity, to really sort of orient things around the customer experience, and then put those insights into the hands of the sellers so they could have effective conversations.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. It was. It's driven to enhance the customer experience with us, but also to empower the rep to have more tools when they walk into the customer's doors. With the help of sales intelligence, the sales eye that is embedded with Sugar, we can sort of predict when a customer starts dropping off of the radar. No, like we have these customers that buy, and they start buying less until they disappear. Know what is happening? Is the business going on? They're going to do business with somewhere else. Why they're not buying a certain product for us? So all those things are now linked in the CRM, and they give us visibility and prepare the reps to have these conversations with the customer. So yeah, it's mostly to prepare more the rep about having a more productive interaction with the customer.
So that's great. I love the fact that it's all aligned around the customer and ensuring that the customer experience is excellent when they're dealing with WaterCo, and you're thinking through your partners, in your channel in that whole experience as well. You were one of our first customers in the APAC region to make use of Sales Eye, which is our revenue intelligence solution. Can you talk to us a little bit about the impact that that's had on your business?
Why we decided to get Sales Eye together with Sugar is because we needed a granular way how to measure things. We needed something granular. We needed to know the parts. We needed to know the customer behavior in terms of what they're buying, what they're not buying. So,
is that because the more granular information would be you'd be able to make that more actionable for your sellers?
Yes, if one of the panels change, one of the customers is buying more or less, so it helps us to also to measure seasonality with the customers. No, some customers buy more depending on the season. So yeah, it's been great.
And seasonality is a big component of the WaterCo business, right? Yeah. There's a lot of nuance.
Yeah, it is. The weather is obviously changing, so for us it creates little havocs here and there in terms of stock management and sales. Not like what you think is going to be now building up for a hot summer. It rains, so it drives chemicals. So we need to sort of prepare and measure all those things with the customers.
So what's next?
Oh, we are on finalizing the stage 2 of our development with Sugar. So hopefully now we're going to be doing all promotion tracking with our commercial team and the swimmer stores. So we're very eager to see how it's going to work, and once that is implemented, how can we track our promotions and see what comes out of it.